Hello, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to show you a craft that I made. So what I made is a cat memorial box using a shadow box and their paw print, color, and pictures. You could use ribbons, poems. We used a little card that we got from the vet, and so we also use scrapbook paper in the background of this one and for their name cards. So it's very easy to make. It takes up little time. We used hot glue to glue down the paw prints, and on this one we glued down the collar. But you can glue all of it down with a glue stick. We suggest that you use the hot glue for the paw prints because they're heavier than the papers. So you can make one for a dog, a cat, a hamster. It doesn't really matter. We just made ones for our cats. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. If you are in Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find more for your arts and crafts projects and tutorials.